Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Crystal and I'm a part-time reseller over on the Poshmark app as the Brick Wall Shop, and I do most of my sourcing online and I'm here to show you how. So today I have a box from B&G Trading Company. It is a Nordstrom and Revolve box, their premium box. It's originally, let me look at my phone and I'll tell you. It is normally $125.99 plus shipping of $5.29. I did get this box for free to review. I had to pay the shipping of $5.29, but this will be my honest opinion of what I think of the box. So let's get started. I've opened the box, but have not gone through it at all. I don't know what's in here. So this is what it looks like. Comes with this little fax if they're damaged or store returns. More on the back about like sustainable fashion. If you're not happy, don't worry, they'll make it right. You just email them along with your order number and what was not to your liking so they can rectify it. Anyway, so let's get started. Put this down. Whoa. Okay. First I see there's this vest. This is super cute. It is very soft on the inside. It's like suede on the outside and it's like this warm fleece. Like I want to wear this. Like I want a blanket like this. Let's see. And it has pockets on the side. God, this just like, it feels so nice. It is by BB Dakota. It is an extra large and it was originally $110. So, everything in here is supposed to be a retail value of $60 or more. And I think I said this, it's Revolve and Nordstrom. It could be Nordstrom Rack too. I did get the most expensive box. They do have cheaper boxes, but I figured since I'm just paying shipping, I would get the most expensive. Anyway, it's a dress with like an opening, like a cutout in the front. It's like a key, or keyhole, a cold shoulder. It's also by BB Dakota. There's no price on it. It's a size 6, but it's like almost like a linen, like maybe a linen cotton. Nope, it's not. It's rayon and viscose. I think that's how you say it. So, anyway. It'll be nice for like spring, summer. Next is another dress. Kind of like a summery kind of dress. It's by Cupcakes and Cashmere, size small. It has a tag, but no price. It's like yellow with like these green little things throughout. It's lined. Is it high low? No, it's one length. It has adjustable straps. So I've heard of Cupcake and Cashmere, but I'm not really that familiar with prices. So next, these are super cute. They have little zipper pockets, this little zebra print. I wish I could wear stuff like this, but I don't really have places to wear it anymore now that I have kids. Anyway, it's by Black Orchard, and it's not my size anyway. Size 26. Still has the tag. It's a Billy Zipper Skinny, but these are really cute. I don't know how much this brand sells for, but it feels nice, so I imagine it sells for a decent amount. Next, are these white with the raw hem bottoms. I say super soft. They are. They're a skinny crop from Articles of Society. They're size 30, so not a bad size. They probably will sell more spring, summer, but you know, you never know. I list stuff year round because you never know when people will buy stuff. This month I've sold bathing suits, I've sold shorts, tank tops, sandals. You never know where people, one, live, and two, where they might be vacationing. I live in LA. I've previously lived in Key West. In Key West, 5 days a year it got down to 60 degrees. Most people thought it was so cold. So we wore flip-flops year round. Next is a pair of Hudson jeans. They're just black. They have a Nordstrom rack clearance tag. They're a size 32. They're the Krista Super Skinny. This is a good size, and it's black, so they could be sold now. You know, someone anywhere could buy these now. And I think Hudson goes for an okay amount. Next, this is cute. Sage. It's this cute little boho top. It's long sleeve. This is super cute. With a little tie at the top. It's like embroidered. Anyway, no price on it, and I don't know anything about this brand, but it looks nice, so I would assume it goes for an okay amount. Next, another cupcake and cashmere, size large. This one says 130. It's a dress. Be nice for spring. It's like 3/4 length sleeves. It's embroidered. Again, I don't know how much this brand sells for, but I would imagine I could make a decent amount off that dress. Next is Line and Dot. I'm not familiar with this brand, but it's sort of sheer, but I mean, not that sheer. And it has this metal detailing on it. So yeah, this is cute. And it's a size small. And the last is Graylin. It's an extra small. Has a tag on it. No price. And it looks like it's a cold shoulder top. It buttons down the front. And it's like black, gray, and blue. So, and the straps here are adjustable. So, tell me what you think down below. Leave me a comment if you know anything about some of these brands. So they were about $12.50, about $13 a piece. But I don't, without looking at comps and knowing for sure, I think each item I could probably sell for a minimum of $30. So that comes out to $24. So basically doubling my money on each item. Some items, obviously, I think I could sell for more. So I'm pretty happy with this box. I think I would buy it again. I will leave down below a link and a coupon code that you can use to also buy one of these boxes if you're interested. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more like this, hit subscribe and hit that little bell so that you're notified of when I have more videos. Also, if you follow me on Instagram or you have seen any of my posts on some Facebook pages, my brother is the penny hoarder, and I'm going to be seeing him in January because our little sister is getting married, and he has agreed to let me interview him for my YouTube channel, so I'm excited to do that. But I'd like to know what questions you have for him. He does a lot of finance stuff, but he started off writing about ways to make money, and one way that he did make money was selling on eBay. He would wait in lines, buy the latest electronic, and turn around and sell it on eBay. That's how he started his blog, and he would write about that, and he would use credit cards that got points, and he would combine things on top of just making a profit. Anyway, when he was a kid, I remember he would sell like those Pogs. Yeah, so make sure you subscribe so that you can see that interview. And if you have any questions you want me to ask him, leave them down below. And maybe I'll ask him, maybe he'll answer. And I will see you later. Thanks for watching. Okay, I wanted to add a little bit to this video because I thought in order to give a fair assessment of this box, I need to look up the comps and tell you what the comps were and what I plan on listing and what in total I think I'm going to make. So this cupcake and cashmere dress, it was originally $120. The average list price is $80. However, it is on Amazon for $60 in this particular size. So that's what I'm going to list it as. I believe on Amazon it's not Prime, so it's through an individual seller, and I think they were charging shipping. So if I list it at $60, somebody makes me an offer for slightly less, they're getting a better deal than what they would get on Amazon. Anyway, next was this BB Dakota sheath dress. It's originally $95, and I'm going to list it for $50. Next is this BB Dakota Flora Sherpa. It was originally $110. I'm going to list it for $60. These Black Orchard Billy Zipper skinny jeans, they were originally $189. I think if I remember correctly, there's only 2 people selling them, and they were, I think, the same size. I'm going to list them for $65. These Articles of Society skinny crops, I'm going to list for $50. I didn't get the original price. These Hudson Krista jeans, the comps, there were some really high comps, a lot lower comps, but I think some of them were like coated and these are not. But even some of the ones that weren't coated were listed pretty high, so I want to list them for $75. This cupcakes and cashmere dress, I had a hard time finding anything similar. It was originally $130, so I'm gonna list it for $50. I didn't even put down what I was going to list this for. So I need some help from you guys if you can tell me. So when I looked up on Poshmark, there's a brand called Sage, but the label looks different than this, and this is Sage the label. I did find this being sold somewhere online new, not Poshmark or any site like that. And it was white, and it's being sold for $94. So I probably will list this for 60. Let me write this down. Like I couldn't find. I found some people that had just put in Sage the label, and that stuff was marked higher versus people that were just Sage. So I don't know. So if you know anything, leave me a comment down below. Next was this line dot bronze metal design blouse. It's originally $100. Somebody is selling it for $20, but it's not new. And they don't look active. So I'm gonna list it for $45. And I think theirs was also a different size than mine. Next, I did see this top list. A few people had this top listed. It's originally $110. And I'm gonna list it for $50. So I meant to do this before I started recording, but I'm gonna add up what I'm going to list it for, and then I will take out the 20%, plus I like to take out some for offers. So total comes to $565 if somebody were to pay cash before Poshmark takes their fee. Whoa, that's not right. So I'm looking at making probably about $350 off this box. So if you bought it full price at $125.99 plus the shipping, you spend about $130. That's more than doubling your money. So I think this was a good box. So again, hit subscribe down below, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment and help me out with this Sage the Label top. See you later.